Hey there, Trading Nation. Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. We are going to take a look at the overall market here. The S&P is showing a little bit of weakness here following a lot of media coverage of Trump's immigration policy. The blowback has been pretty severe on this. Markets are taking this as a sign that this protectionism is quite real. Markets are selling off. The other part is we had solid earnings reports with exception of Google last week, so the markets should be weathering this a little bit better, and they're not. That is a bit of a concern for me. Normally in this case, to hedge long stock positions, I'd look for bonds or gold to be performing. The problem is they're not really moving this morning. So the way I want to choose to hedge the portfolio here is I want to move into the VIX, the Volatility Index. And if you take a look at the chart here, this is the daily with the S&P overlay. The S&P is up here in green, and the VIX, the Volatility Index, is down here in yellow. You can see we've certainly moved into the lower part of the range, reaching a VIX of about 10 or 11, which is extremely oversold. Again, just to reiterate here, S&P and the VIX will trade opposite of one another. As the S&P starts to drop, fear starts to increase, the volatility goes up as well. And all that volatility is measuring is the level of implied volatility, how much future movement there's expected to be in both puts and calls in the S&P index. So the higher the expected movement back and forth, higher the volatility. So that's why the two will trade inverse. So I am looking to hedge my long stock portfolio with a move up the volatility index just to about the $15 region. We're doing a 12-15 call spread in the February VIX options, again, to hedge any potential move lower here in the S&P following a very overbought market status here. So that's what we're going to be looking to do. Be sure to follow us at Trading Nation on Twitter for updates to these market observations, as well as all the other trades that our traders are watching. And we'll see you on the next video update.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.